Come down to the warehouse. Maverick R demo. This is how it comes from the factory. And it comes strapped down for height clearance, but I have to unstrap it for width clearance. So I need it to stand up so it'll draw in some. So we carefully cut this so it doesn't. Oh, it's not as dramatic as what I thought it would be. Boing. Well, it's tight. Rubbing the finger there. A little bit of clearance there, but it rubbed the gas can rack. Yeah. That's on factory wheels. Yeah. That's a big dog. Takes up all the room. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, pup? Pretty simple. It's just the cage, a couple body panels, and the roof. Not a whole lot to it. Pull the plastics off of it, stuff like that. You know, stuff like this. It's all protective just for shipping. Just like that. Yeah, good job. Even got some straps. I don't really know what they go to. They got E-track on the end of them. So maybe that's to help strap it down in the trailer. And it even comes with a little tow hook. These come crated out of the factory down near Texas. And then once they make it over the border, they get uncrated and left like this. So it's called a roll-off. Usually the suspension's drawn down, but you can see in the video where I cut the straps to get it to draw up so it'll fit in my trailer. Yeah, this is new Maverick R. This is XRS. XRS has compression rebound internal bypass shocks. The only other model up from this is Smart Shocks. You have base model, which has 15-inch wheels, non-beadlock, 30-inch tires. Next one up from base model, same wheel and tire package, but it has a screen in it. And still has this like a shoulder belt. Then when you get into XRS, you get 16-inch beadlocks, 32-inch tires, and you get the retractable harnesses. Of course, roof and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll do a little time lapse and slap the cage on this thing. And so, what do you think about it?
You're gonna have to name it Colgate, because it sure is minty.
So as you see by the time lapse right about now, it's not a lot to it. It's mostly just pulling plastic off and taking the cage off. Here's the fun part. Revealing the screen.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
Yeah, it's mostly plastic. Now it'll be cage and the small parts. Alright, so on Maverick R, you got this little door on both sides, just body work. It has this little rubber grommet. if they're kind of sticky when you push on the door, it'll shove the grommet inside and you'll lose it. On the glove box side, you got to go take push pins, a few screws, and pull the whole bottom of the glove box out, and then the grommet will fall to the ground. On this side, it's hollowed, so it'll just fall out on the floor. Simple fix. This is just super glue. Put super glue inside the grommet here, just like that, and then pop it back in, and it's glued in where it'll stay. And a tad bit of WD-40 on that will help it pop and close easily.